In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively organize your My Tasks in Asana. Keeping your tasks structured can significantly boost your productivity and help you stay on top of your responsibilities. Let's dive into some practical ways to streamline your workflow using Asana. To get started, you'll want to visit the Asana website at www.asana.com. If you've already got an account, simply click on the Login button to access your dashboard. If not, you'll need to select Get Started or try for free to create an account and gain access. Your dashboard serves as the central hub where you can track all your tasks efficiently. One of the most effective ways to organize your tasks in Asana is by using sections. In the My Tasks feature, you can create sections to group tasks by priorities or themes. For example, you might have sections named Today, Upcoming, and Later, or you might categorize tasks by projects, like content creation or team support. To add a section, just click on the plus or add section option. These sections provide a clear visual structure, making it considerably easier to see what requires your immediate attention. Next, let's talk about due dates and times. By clicking on a task and selecting the calendar icon, you can assign specific deadlines. This step is crucial because it ensures you never miss an important task, helping you stay on track with your responsibilities. Prioritizing tasks plays an equally important role. Asana allows you to use flags or custom fields to assign priorities such as high, medium, or low. This capability helps you focus on urgent tasks first and manage your time more effectively, ensuring that your attention is on what matters most. Another valuable feature in Asana is sorting your tasks. The sort function lets you arrange tasks by priority or by deadline, which can be especially helpful when you're managing a particularly long list of tasks. This feature makes navigating your workload smoother and more organized. The Today section is specifically designed for tasks that need immediate attention. It's a great habit to move your most important tasks to this section each morning. This habit keeps you focused and productive throughout the day by consistently reminding you of your day's top priorities. Finally, remember to regularly mark your tasks as complete. Doing so keeps your task list organized, helps reduce clutter, and provides a rewarding sense of accomplishment as you track your progress and see just how much you've achieved. Asana is a powerful tool that can truly transform the way you manage tasks. By using sections, due dates, prioritizing, and sorting, you can craft a cleaner and more organized workspace, thereby working more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!